Good morning, children. This is Shival sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter fraction as we are over with the chapter 6. We discussed about integers, and here in this video, we are going to understand the basic concepts of fractions, and we will be doing some implementation of it. So, let us write fraction chapter 7, exercise 1. Okay, children. So the very first concepts we will understand what is fraction. Children, what is fraction? Fraction means a broken part of a whole is called fraction. Suppose, children, I'm holding a biscuit in my hand. Okay. Suppose it's a biscuit, and there are four friends. Okay. So there are four friends and only one biscuit. We often experience such things in our school. When our friends ask for any biscuits, we share among our friends. Okay. So suppose a child named Aman holding one biscuit, and he has got four friends, three friends including him, four. So Aman wants to share the biscuit among his friends, among with his three friends including him as well. So what will he do? He will just make four equal pieces of the biscuit. Okay. Aman is going to make four equal pieces of the biscuit. It's one part, it's a second part, it's third part, and it's a fourth part. So children, then now all his friends including him may get one pieces. So children, as the biscuit was one complete one and broken into four equal pieces, so each part is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and 1 by 4. All these pieces are 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and 1 by 4. Why it is 1 by 4? Why each part is 1 by 4? Because it is totally four equal parts. It is turned into four equal parts, and each part is one part out of four parts. One part, listen it very carefully, one part out of four parts. That is why we are saying it's 1 by 4. Okay. Suppose, children, now if we add all these broken parts together again, so it is going to be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Matlab, it's 4 by 4. 4 by 4 means 1. If we cancel 4 and 4, we are supposed to get 1. Means I'll get back the biscuit once again. One complete biscuit once again. So children, this is the primary concept of fraction. Fraction means a broken part of a whole is called fraction. Children, if we look at the diagrams of our book, like from this chapter, it's given there is a triangle drawn in the first question, and there are four equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. The triangle has drawn into or broken into four equal parts. Out of four parts, as we all can see, two parts are shaded. It's one part, that is another part. Two parts are shaded. What is a fraction of shading portions or shaded portions? Children, let us write all the broken parts first. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and 1 by 4. All four pieces are 1 by 4, 1 by 4 individually. Two parts are shaded, matlab 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. It is 2 by 4. Means 2 by 4 part of this figure is shaded. 2 by 4 part of this figure is shaded. Now let's talk about the second one. Number B is, we are having one rectangle made of some small rectangles. So all portions are shaded. All these pieces are shaded. So what is the fraction of it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 12 parts, 8 parts are shaded. Out of 12 parts, 8 parts are shaded. So the fraction is 8 by 12. I believe it's clear to everyone. Let us talk about number. Let's talk about number 4. Number 4 is there is a circle, and out of the circle, this circle is consists of 4 small parts. One part is completely shaded, so it's 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4. So children, this is how we actually describe the fractions. I believe it's completely clear to everyone. If we understand question number 9, before I conclude my video, how many petals are there in the flower? There are like 1 2 3 4 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 petals. Out of 8 petals, 4 petals are like shaded, so the fraction is 4/8. That's all. This is how we have to just write the answers. Question number 2 is about the shading the colors. There is a circle. Let me draw the circle first. It will be more clear to you all. There is a circle. The circle is having 6 parts. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Just a minute, children. The figure, let me draw correctly. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 out, and we have to like shade 1/6. So out of 6 parts, any one you can shade. That is only 1/6. I believe it's clear to everybody. This is how we can deal with such kind of questions. If there are any doubts or confusions, please let me know. Feel free to speak to me. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.